Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a landing page. A landing page is a standalone web page designed to capture visitor information, typically for marketing or sales purposes. Its primary goal is to convert visitors into leads or customers by focusing on a single, clear call to action. Understanding its purpose is the first step to building an effective one. Every successful landing page relies on several key components. Start with a compelling headline that immediately communicates your value. Follow this with clear, concise copy explaining your offer. Crucially, include a strong call to action, like download now or sign up, and an optimized form to collect essential visitor information. Effective design and optimization are vital for high conversion rates. Aim for a clean layout with plenty of white space to improve readability. Always ensure your page is fully responsive across all mobile devices. Regularly test different headlines and calls to action, and optimize your page load speed to provide a seamless user experience. After launching, continuously analyze and improve your landing page. Track key metrics like conversion rates to measure success. Use tools such as heat maps and analytics to understand user behavior. Implement a /B testing for different elements to identify what resonates best with your audience, and always refine your content and design based on the data you collect.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.